Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and if you've ever looked at a crochet pattern and thought, wait, what does that even mean? You're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to read a written crochet pattern so you can follow your favorite projects with confidence and ease. We'll break down all the symbols, abbreviations, and structures step by step. A crochet pattern is like a recipe. It gives you step-by-step instructions to making something from start to finish. But instead of flour and sugar, you're using yarn and stitches. Let's look at the pattern together. At the top, you'll usually find your material list, gauge, finish size, and abbreviations used in the pattern. If this feels overwhelming, don't worry. You'll learn what all of it means over time. Crochet patterns use abbreviations to keep things short and easy to follow. Here are common ones you'll see: chain, single crochet, stitches, repeat. Some use brackets to suggest repeating instructions inside the brackets. Today's a simple beginner pattern, so we're not going to be looking at that today. One of my favorite beginner tips is read through the pattern once before you start. You don't need to understand it all perfectly yet. Just get a feel of what's coming. It helps reduce surprise later on. Let's read a line together. Chain 21. This makes 20 stitches across. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. Here's how to break it down. This is the first row of your project. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. That means skip the first chain and single crochet into the next one. And in each row across, you keep going until the end of your row. 20 single crochets. You should have 20 stitches total when you're done. It might feel like learning a new language at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually really fun, like solving a puzzle with yarn. And that's it. You just learned how to read a written crochet pattern. If it still feels a little confusing, that's completely normal. The more patterns you try, the easier it gets, I promise. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check my free beginner crochet course for more step-by-step help. You've got this, one stitch and one row at a time.